Hi nurses and friends! In this video, we will talk about the step 3. Yay! Congratulations! Pasado ka na sa step 2. Nag-move on ka sa step 3. So ngayon pag-usapan natin ano ang meron sa step 3. So after you joining the step 2, which is the virtual hub, pasado yung mga qualifications mo, na-meet mo yung mga qualifications required, now you will move on to step 3. After doon, malalaman mo na pagka-send sa'yo, sasabihin na nila doon na you will move on to the next step, which is the assessment. So hihintayin mo na, nasa assessment ka na. Okay? So sa assessment, bibigyan ka nila ng assessment and then they will also give you a due date kung kailan mo siya kailangan i-complete. So usually, depende yan sa recruiter. Sometimes they will be giving you, there are a total of 5 assessments. Okay? So watch until the end para malaman mo ano lahat yung assessment na yun, para magkaroon ka ng idea at mabigyan din kita ng tips. Okay? So there are 5 assessments. It depends on the recruiters if they will just be giving you the first 3 assessment. May recruiter na bibigay niya muna first 3. And then if you pass that first 3 assessment, that's the time na bibigay niya yung 4th and 5th assessment. Meron namang recruiter na one time, big time, bibigay niya lahat sa'yo yung 5 assessment. Okay? So ano yung mga 5 assessment na yun? There are 5 assessment. I'll just give them to you para magkaroon ka ng idea ano sila. Number 1 is the typing test. Pretty sure baka sa ibang company usual din na mga ganito yung mga binibigay na assessment. Pero nabalitaan ko, isa sa yung company namin sa may pinakamahirap na assessment at screening process. So kung makakapasok ka talagang worth it, deserve mo yan. Okay? So 5 assessment number 1 is the typing test. Ano yung mabibigay kong tips sa'yo sa typing test? Mag-practice ka muna. Kahit hindi ka pa nag-start ng application, if you are really interested na makapasok dito, lagi yan, part ng screening namin is typing test. So, anong gagawin mo? Mag-practice ka, mag-typing test ka. Maraming website, Monkey Test, freetypingtest.com, or typingtest.com. If I were you, aralin mo yan, yan din yung ginagamit sa company namin. But yes, typingtest.com, available lang yan, free lang yan, pwede kang mag-practice dyan, okay? Aim for 40 words per minute para sure na makapasok ka. So, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-40 words per minute, practice lang ng practice, okay? Next is, so that's number 1, assessment. Number 2 is the computer navigation. So yes, they will really need to check this, okay? Computer navigation, basic, how to create folders, how to transfer a file, yung mga basic na pinag-aralan natin ng computer ng mga estudyante tayo. And now, so search nyo na lang yan, search kayo, practice kayo, mga basic computer navigation, and then pag-practicean mo muna yan bago mo i-take yung assessment, okay? And then next is the clinical examination. Since we are nurses here, we do clinical exam as part of our assessment. And the clinical exam in our company, it's kind of tough. It's difficult, okay? May pagka-NCLEX 2.0 po siya. So please, paghandaan mo yan. I'm pretty sure you are a registered nurse, you are a PHRN, you are a USRN. Kung naitumba mo ang PNLE at ang NCLEX, kayang-kaya mong itumba to. So tiwala lang, kaya mo yan, okay? Next is written and the voice I forgot the exact term, pero meron pang next na yon. Okay. Written and voice yon. So, yung sa written, it's like you will be working on doing a clinical analysis. Gagawa ka ng report mo from that clinical nabibigay nila sa'yo na charting, and then you will create your own report from that. And then the voice naman, computer aptitude test yata yung tawag sa kanya. And then the voice one is you will go through a call simulation. Ito yung pinakamaraming nahihirapan. Well, parang IELTS 2.0 naman to. Di ba maraming nahihirapan sa atin sa IELTS. So this is another one. Meron voice simulation sa company namin. This is only for USRN. Yung mga PHRN, hindi sila nagaganito. Nag-stop na sila. 4 lang pala yung sa PHRN, sa USRN, 5 po yung assessment. Okay? So what is this call simulation? A call simulation, parang call center. Like there's a mock call. May tatawagan ka, foreigner po yun. May tatawagan ka. And then it's a call simulation. Bibigyan ka niya ng scenario. Kunyari, nasa insurance company kayo, or kunyari, HMO ka, ganyan. Whatever situation they will be giving to you. Lasting approximately 15 minutes. So, ang pinakamahalaga lang dito is the use of English language. So, if I were you, if you really plan on applying, parang mag-IELTS ka lang or parang mag-English test ka lang, try to simulate scenarios, insurance scenarios, call center scenarios that you practice speaking in English. Parang ginagawa ko ngayon. You practice speaking in English, you talk to yourself in the mirror. Hi, thank you for calling McDonald's. Kunyari lang. Okay, my name is Joan. How can I help you today? Mga ganon, ang call simulation. Okay, pero clinical side, okay? Since we are nurses, clinical side yung call simulation natin. So yun na yan, yun na lahat. So typing test, next is the computer navigation, the clinical assessment, there's a written and voice simulation. Okay? So yun lang nurses, I hope you learned something today. 5 yan. Comment nyo na lang yung mga questions nyo, ano pang mga gusto nyong malaman about the assessment para sagutin ko dyan sa comments nyo. Okay?